Hello students, today we go further in quantitative methods. In last lecture we learned X bar chart, that is mean chart, or you can say average chart. Today we start second chapter, that is R chart, or you can say what? Range chart. Now in this you are having given different observations, right? Such as like x1, x2, x3, x4, right? First we have to find what? Range. Now how to find range? So range means what? Highest observation minus lowest observation, that is range. Suppose over here x1, x2, x3, x4. So suppose x1 is 15, x2 is 30, x3 is 20, and x4 is what? That is again 20. The range of this is what? Highest observation, that is what? 30. And the lowest observation, that is what? 15. The difference is what? 15. So this is what? The answer of what? Range. Now, in many of the examples, they are directly give the answer of what? Range. Simply we have to find what? Directly R bar. R bar, that is equals to sigma R. R means what? Range, right? Upon capital N. Sigma R means what? Sum of range, and N means what? Number of samples that they have to given in the question. Now, to draw the chart, we also finding out control limits. And control limits, the formulas are, first we have to find, that is central line, that formula is R bar, that we have to find over here. Next, UCL. UCL means what? Upper control limit. The formula is D4 R bar. The formula is what? D4 R bar. And lower control limit, that is D3 R bar. The D3 and D4, the value of D3 and D4 we have to see from where? The statistical quality control table that we are already having, right? From that we have to finding out the value of what? D3 and D4 using what? Small n. Small n means what? Sample size. Over here how many samples they have to given? 4. So you have to use n is equals to what? 4, and using that you have to find the values of D3 and D4. Then you have to put over here. Many of the time the D3 value is what? 0. That's why the LCL is what? 0. Right? So let me take one example on the basis of this R chart. Suppose over here we want to draw the chart, R chart. At the same time we have to comment on the state of control, means the process is under control or not. And over here we have to use x1, x2, x3, means directly you have to given the observations, that is x1, x2, x3 and x4. First column, that is sample number, x2, x3, x4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 samples we have to take. Now observations are, that is 24, 32, 27, 30, 30, 33, 36 and 28. 33, 27, 32, 30, 25, 30, again 30 and 34. Next 30, 31, 35, 34, 32, 32, 28 and 26. Next 25, 28, 31, 36, 37, 29, 32 and 35. So this is our question. Now first we have to find what? Range. That is what? R. Now range means what? Highest observation minus lowest observation. The highest observation is 33, lowest observation 24. The 33 minus 24, the difference is what? 9. Next one, the highest observation is 32, lowest is what? 27. The difference is what? 3 plus 2, that is 5. Next one, the highest observation over here is what? 35. Lowest observation 27. The difference is 35 minus 27. The answer is what? 8. Next, the highest observation 36. Lowest 30. The difference is 6. Over here, highest 37. Lowest 25. The answer is over here 25, 37. So 10 plus 2 means over here 12. Next, the highest observation, that is over here we have to make one change. Over here the highest observation is 32 and lowest observation is what? 25. The answer is what over here? That is 7. 25, 32. That is 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. Next one, highest 33, lowest 29. The difference is 4. Next one, over here, the difference, highest 36, lowest 28. 6 plus 2, that is 8. Over here, highest observation, that is 35, lowest observation 28. The answer is what? Sorry, 26. The answer is 5 plus 4, the 9. Now we have to make total of what? R. The total is what? Over here 56. So now we have to find control limits, right? We have to find control limits. So let me find control limits over here. Now control limits, in that first one we have to find central line, that is what? R bar, that is sigma R upon n. Sigma R means total, that is 56 upon capital N. Observations is 8. 8 sevens are 56. Next we have to find, that is UCL, that is upper control limit. The formula is what? D4 R bar. Now value of D4, D4 we have to find what? Where? Statistical quality control table. And over here small n is what? How many observations? 1, 2, 3 and 4 observations. The value of D4 is 2.282. That you will get from table. And R1 is 7. Then multiplication answer is 15.9. Next we have to find LCL, that is lower control limit, that is D3 R bar. D3 is 0, R bar is 7. 0 into 7, answer is what? 0. Now we draw what? Control chart. This is x-axis. Over here this is y-axis. 0. On x-axis we take 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis also we take 1 centimeter is equals to how many units? 1 unit. So over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. On y-axis the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is, that is 15.9, means we have to go up to 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. You have to take this 1 centimeter is equals to 1. Now first we draw central line, that is 7. So 7 is here. From 7 you may draw central line, that is equals to 7. UCL is equals to 15.9, means 15.9 means what? In 15 and 16 between this there are 10 lines, so we have to take 15.9 means 9 lines we have to take. On 9 line we have to make straight line, that is UCL, that is 15.9. Next that is LCL is 0, means that is our x-axis, so over here we have to write LCL is equals to what? 0. Now we put this answer over here. One thing we have to missing over here, we have to write what? Sample number. On x-axis we have to take sample number, on y-axis we have to answer what? Range, that is R. Now first point, that is 9 over here. Now second one, that is 5. We also join that points. Next third one, that is 8. Next fourth, that is 6. Next fifth, that is 7, since this is same line. Next 4, 6 point, that is 4. Next seventh one, that is 8. So over here. Next last point, that is 8, and the value is what? 9. So this is our graph, and from this graph we have to write what? Conclusion. Then our conclusion is what? Over here I write that conclusion. You have to write below this calculation. Okay, the conclusion is what? Here all the points, means our lower control limit is 0 and the upper control limit is what? 15.9. Here all the points are between these two lines, means lower control limit and upper control limit. That's why we can say that the here all the points are falling within the control limits. Therefore, the process is what? Under control, right? So this is our what? Object. Clear? Next we take one more question, that one more chart, that is C chart. And that C chart questions you have to see in the question paper. They are asking for how many marks? 2 marks. You have to just find what? Control limits, right? They are not asking the to draw the graph of that C chart, right? So that also we have to see today. Now that is also known as number of defects chart. C chart means what? The word is what? Number of defects. They have to given in that question, right? So let me take C chart. Third chart, that is C chart. C chart. First we have to directly we have to find control limits. The control limits, that is first C bar, that is sigma C upon capital N. C means number of defects. Next we have to find, this is our central line, right? Next we have to find UCL, that is C bar plus 3 square root of C bar. Next we have to find LCL, that is C bar minus 3 square root of C bar. So these control limits we have to remember. Now we take one example. Over here they have to given one examples. In that this question is April 2019. From paper April 2019, they have to give a number of defects per each mobile are defects, that is 12, 8, 10, 16, 14, 10, 2, 6, 12 and 9. And you have to find control limits. Just you have to find this control limits. This is for 2 marks, and each and every paper you have to see this 2 marks question is always available. So we may secure this 2 marks. Now first we have to find C bar, that is central line C bar, that is sigma C upon n. C bar means what? We have to summarize all these defects, means total of all these defects. That total is what? 99. And how many these observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 99 divided by 10, the answer is what? 9.9. Next we have to find, that is UCL, that is C bar plus 3 square root of C bar. Now C bar is 9.9 plus 3 square root of 9.9. Now 9.9 plus, now square root of 9.9, that is 3.15. Now 9.9 plus 3 3s are 9.5, 53 is 45. Then our answer of UCL is equals to 19.35. Now we have to find LCL. LCL means what? C bar minus 3 square root of C bar. Same calculation, right? You have to C bar this, 3 into C bar this. So we directly take this one, that is 9.9 minus 9.45. Then answer is what? 9.9 minus 9.45, then answer is 0.45. So this is our LCL. So you have to finding out just this central line, upper control limit and lower control limit. This is for how many marks? We are asking for 2 marks, right? So this is all about what? C chart, right? Now you have to I will give you 2 questions for homework also, that I will send you the photo, that is on the base of R chart and on the base of C chart. In first lecture we already learned that is X bar chart, and in that also I am giving one question, and many of the students also send me the answers. That is good. Okay, you have tried your efforts and solve these questions. Okay.